Hello everyone. In management research, we scholars act as producers, evaluators, and users of knowledge. Theory is the key tool in making sense of this knowledge. Today, we will learn what theory is and why it is essential. Irrespective of the approach or discipline we take towards science, the basic aim of science is to explain natural phenomena. Such explanations are called theories. According to Stinchcomb, 1968, a theory should create the capacity to invent explanations rather than passively describe what we already know. Theories are tentative explanations. The primary purpose of a theory, according to Zinkan and Seth, 1991, is to increase scientific understanding through a systematic structure capable of both predicting and explaining the phenomena. It helps us to make sense of complex phenomena occurring in and around organizations. Theory helps us synthesize insights we gain from our imagination and observation. For example, in strategic management, the resource-based view posits that a firm's competitive advantage depends on its unique resources and capabilities. Barney, 1991. Resource-based view illustrates how theory can organize complex organizational phenomena. It identifies which resources are valuable, rare, inimitable, and non-substitutable, allowing managers and researchers to predict which firms are likely to outperform others. This aligns with the purpose of a theory by providing a structured way to understand, explain, and predict organizational outcomes. According to Aguinis and Cronin, 2022, theories clarify what is already known and provide a credible and useful basis for understanding the areas we are trying to manage and study. These are tentative statements. Each theory is evaluated empirically to determine how well it predicts new findings. Theories help us guide our research plan by generating hypotheses to test and organizing facts obtained from testing the hypothesis. According to Bacharach, 1989, the purpose of theoretical statements is twofold: providing parsimony and communication. Parsimony involves creating a framework with simplifying assumptions and variables to explain complex phenomena of interest. Theory also helps us communicate research findings clearly and unambiguously. The main goal of the theory is to explain how, when, and why, and not just what is the phenomena. Description, whereas description only tells us what exists. For example, resource-based view, Barney, 1991, does not just list the firm's resources like patents or skilled employees. It explains how these resources create a competitive advantage. When are these resources most useful for the firm, and why these resources help the firm perform better than their competitors? This shows how theory helps us understand all the aspects of a phenomena and not just describes what it is, or it does not tell just the facts, but it explains and helps us understand multiple aspects of the phenomena. Thank you. These are some of the references, and I also want to note that there are different opinions surrounding RBV, if it is a theory or a framework, but still I went ahead and used it as an example um, in this description. Thank you.